Hello, good morning, children. As you know, we have studied about lesson number 4, the Great Indian Desert, and we have done exercise A, B, C, and D in your copies. Now it's the time for the question answers. Now, children, what you have to do first of all, children, fill the index in this way 4, serial number 4. Today's date, lesson number 4, the Great Indian Desert, write with black pen, and the next page number 27. Now children, you have to write date and page number on the right side corner. Start with date and page number. Lesson number 4, take black pen in your hands, the Great Indian Desert. Clear? Lesson number 4, the Great Indian Desert. Leave one finger gap in between two words. G, I and D will be capital. Then put the heading with black pen. Answer the questions. Clear? Children, see clearly and see I am also leaving one line after that. Now start writing question number 1. Describe the location and extent of the Thar Desert. Full stop. With black pen, question number 1 with black pen. Describe the location and extent of the Thar Desert. Now, we have to write the answer. Answer with blue pen. Start. Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of India, and it extends from the Rann of Kutch to the borders of Haryana. See again. Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of India, and it extends from the Rann of Kutch to the borders of Haryana. Now see the difficult spellings. Thar Desert, located, Located, located. Northwestern, Western, northwestern, put a small dash in between. Extends, Extends, extends. Rann, Rann, of Kutch, Kachchch, Kachchch, Kutch, of borders of Haryana, Borders, borders of Haryana. Full stop. Now question number 2. What is a sandstorm? Write with black pen. Question mark. Question number 2. What is a sandstorm? Question mark. Write with black pen. Now answer with blue pen. Don't forget to leave one line in between. Sometimes strong winds blow away the sand with great speed, and it is called a sandstorm. See again. Children, I told you also, I explained you many times. Sometimes strong winds blow away the sand with great speed, and it is called a sandstorm. Now see the difficult words. Storm, STORM. Sometimes SOME, some TIMES, times, but the same word it is. MES, times. Strong winds blow away the sand, sand, with great speed, SPEED, speed. It is called a sandstorm. Now again, as I come on this page, I have again written page number and date over here. Now question number 3. Explain the importance of an oasis. Clear? See again question number 3. Explain the importance of an oasis with black pen. Now see, answer. Clear? Now take blue pens in your hand. Importance of an oasis are. Answer 3. Importance of an oases are? Put a small dash. Then point number A. It is a fertile spot. Point number A. It is a fertile spot. Point number B. Date palm trees are found at such places. B. Date palm trees are found at such places. Full stop. Now C. Most of the villages come up around these places. Most of the villages come up around these places. Children, in this answer there are 3 points because they have asked you the importance of oasis. The importance of oasis are: it is a fertile spot, date palm trees are found at such places. You also know, or most of the villages come up around these places because water is easily available there. Clear, children? Now again revise these 3 answers. Now children, see once again. Yes, date page number. Lesson number 4, the Great Indian Desert. Answer the questions with black pen. Underline it as I have shown you. Question number 1. Describe the location and extent of the Thar Desert. See beta, write beautifully. Don't copy any word wrong. Now answer number 1 is Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of India and it extends from the Rann of Kutch to the borders of Haryana. Again I am telling you children, see the spellings carefully, like Rann, R-A-N-N, Rann, Kutch, K-A-C-H-C-H-H, Kutch, borders, B-O-R-D-E-R-S, borders of Haryana, full stop. Question number 2. What is a sandstorm? Sometimes strong winds blow away the sand with great speed and it is called a sandstorm. Full stop. As you come on the next page, write first of all date and page number. Now question number 3. Explain the importance of an oasis. I told you children there are 3 points. Answer importance of an oasis are: put a small dash. A. It is a fertile spot. Full stop. B. Date palm trees are found at such places. Full stop. C. Most of the villages are come up around these places. Villages come up around these places. Full stop. See this answer carefully children. Leave one line. Copy questions with black pen. Okay, write date and page number. Start writing your chapter. First, start writing your chapter with your chapter name. Clear? Date, page number, leave one line. Write beautifully. Don't copy wrong words. Thank you, children. Children, stay at home, stay safe, and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.